Reading aloud has some amazing benefits to your study sessions. This is something that I have long advocated for. I've already discussed why reading aloud is so beneficial, and I will link that video up top in the cards and in the description below. But today, I want to discuss some of the benefits of reading out loud so you can see if it fits into your study schedule. By the way, I'm Terrell, and this is Absolutely Studying. I bootstrapped my way through university while juggling a full-time job and a family. It was tough, and now I want to pay it forward. I want to give you all of the resources and support you need to flourish in your academic career. If you want to learn about some of the benefits of reading out loud, then this video is for you. But first, I want you to head down into the comments and let me know if you already read out loud or not. And while you're down there, check out my free study planner in the description. It's got a ton of different study activities, and it's free for you to download. Reading out loud not only helps you in your studying to retain the information, but it can also even make you a better writer. Reading out loud helps to develop writing skills by using it as oral proofreading. When you can actually hear yourself saying the words out loud, it's much easier to pick up on using the wrong word or the wrong tone, changes in setting or mood, and even improper use of some terminology. This is all better done out loud, and that's why when you read a passage out loud and stumble over it, it's much easier to pick up on mistakes rather than when you sit down and read. When you read just in your mind, you will often look over a sentence and infer the meaning and how it's phrased, rather than breaking down each individual word. That's why when you say it out loud, you stumble over it because what you see and what your mind tells you to say, it's not the same. This ties into our next example of reinforcing graphemic phenomic correspondence. GPC is basically just the relationship between sounds and the letters that represent them. Each letter or set of letters dictates a particular sound that you would make when reading. By reading out loud, this reinforces the relationship between what you see on paper and how it sounds in your head. This goes along with sounding words out. It helps you to be a little bit more fluent and makes it easier to sound things out when you come across a word that you don't know. This is really helpful not only in increasing the fluency of your actual reading, but it can also help you to infer the meaning of words that you haven't learned yet. And that refers back to basically using the different suffix and prefixes from ancient languages such as Latin to remake new words today. Another great benefit of reading out loud is that it'll increase the confidence among students who are anxious about reading out loud. It helps with your fluency, and it helps to demonstrate to you that you can read out loud. You are capable, you are able to, and you're good at it. As you practice on your own reading out loud for your study sessions, you're going to get better and better and better at it. This is going to make you more confident about reading out loud, and it's going to actually even increase your ability to do it. If you're already weak at reading out loud, or if you just have nerves because it makes you nervous to talk in front of a bunch of people, practicing on your own while you study is going to basically boost that ability and boost your confidence as well. There are more benefits to reading out loud besides what I just mentioned. As I said at the top of the video, I have an entire video basically that is dedicated to why reading out loud is the best benefit, and it talks about all of the mental associations that you use while you're reading out loud and how it actually reinforces each of the facts and concepts that you're studying while you study it to take it in at a deeper level in real time. Check out that video. Again, it's in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Reading out loud works really well when you incorporate it into a full study strategy. I have my entire reading strategy, which is just one of my study sessions, in an article. I will link it below so that you can steal it and see if it helps. Part of my reading strategy is reading out loud, as well as taking notes, incorporating them, turning them into flashcards, and several other steps. I'm going to link that study strategy in the description box below so that you can check it out for yourself if you need it. If you're searching for new ways to study or new activities to fit into your study routine, Don't forget to check out that free study planner in the description. It has more than 20 different study activities, along with a study activity tracker and a study session planner that you can track and plan through the entire semester. This will let you see at a glance everything you've studied and what you have left to work on. It's free and it's in the description below. Grab one. It really helps. And while you're down there, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every Thursday, and it is always about study tips, organizational hacks, and homework help to help you through the study struggle. You can also visit my website for tons of free resources and study articles that help you use your time smarter. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please pop them below in the comments or check out my socials. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing adventure.